This section looks at the effects of undulations and inconsistent floor levels in a subfloor. Undulations in the subfloor can telegraph through the floor covering, spoiling the floor's overall appearance. Wooden boarded floors can move in use if not installed correctly. The resulting movement and variation in floor level can telegraph through the floor covering. This can have a serious effect on the adhesive bond between the subfloor and floor covering. In the case of access floor panels, it is imperative that the individual panels are sound, level, flat and free from undulation. An uneven access panel floor can not only cause modular floor coverings to go out of bond, but it can also telegraph this unevenness through the floor covering, spoiling the surface visual appearance. This visual aesthetic can appear worse when viewed towards a natural low-level light source. Trail marks left in smoothing compounds can telegraph through a floor covering, giving an unsightly visual. This can also lead to soiling problems. Prior to fitting any floor covering, ensure there are no undulations or inconsistencies in the subfloor. Wooden boarded floors and metal access floors should always be level and flat prior to installation. Cement-based floors should be made level and flat using a suitable smoothing compound.